The goal of the Junior Mentoring Program is to build relationships, promote student success, and foster genuine concern. Our junior mentors work as part of a team and are assigned to a specific freshman homeroom. Mentors serve as a support and resource person who provide information, encouragement, and support to freshman students during their first year of high school. The goal is that the mentoring relationship will enhance the new student's transition to the high school. The Junior Mentoring Program has four main goals: to promote a caring and supportive relationship between new students and upperclassmen within the high school, to extend the transition process from middle school to high school by providing necessary information for freshman students to be successful, to provide feedback to our freshman students to help them achieve their goals, to encourage involvement of our new students within the Upper St. Clair High School community. All mentors will participate in 2 days of training at Outdoor Odyssey in May. After training, they will attend Simulation Day to assist rising freshmen navigate the high school building. Throughout the year, mentors attend weekly meetings with their freshman homerooms. In October, junior mentors and the freshman students participate in a team competition called Field Day. The goal of Field Day is to provide our mentors with an opportunity to bond with their freshman mentees. The selection process for the Junior Mentoring Program is extremely competitive. It begins in late February or early March. Application information is explained during a lunchtime meeting to all sophomores interested in applying for the mentoring program. The application consists of a short video where students discuss why they want to serve as a junior mentor. Application videos are then reviewed by a team. Each year, approximately 60 students will be selected for the Junior Mentoring Program.